All right, guys, what y'all think about this one? So we sold the center cap missing there. We sold the Lincoln. We didn't do anything to it except for put gas in it, and sold it like it was without doing anything for right at $1,200. I probably could have cleaned it up, did some seats, but after all that, it wouldn't be worth it. So I just flipped it right like it was. I did go ahead and diagnose some other stuff for them. It needed, what was that called? I'm sorry. It needed the intake. The plastic intake was cracked, which happens a lot on them Ford engines, Lincoln engines, whatever. So it needs a new intake. But for $1,200, I got them a good car, low miles and everything. But looking at this one, boy, it need some cleaning. But it's got some miles on it. Got this one for $850. It needs front brakes. It needs to be clean. The front brakes are just a little soft, I guess. They still work and everything. You can just tell it needs some new ones. So I checked them out. It does need new ones. And then also needs this regulator. This rolls up and down, but it'll fall off and get down, and then you got to hold it back up. So pretty good shape. Has electric start, automatic doors. Pretty basic van. It's got, it'll clean up nice. It's got this stuff going on with it. I don't know what I'll do with it yet. I'll probably leave it alone. But I'll get it cleaned up real nice. Change the brakes out. Put this window regulator in. And flip this. Well, y'all want to see some bullshit? Yep, that's glass. Got it all back together. About to put the door cover back on. Get everything hooked back up. And then I went and tried to tighten up all the bolts to hold that back. Shattered the glass. So I would say if you're looking to learn how to do this, put the window regulator and motor in, I would take it somewhere and have it done. All right, well, a little update quickly on this van. We got $850 for purchase price. Got new tires, new brakes all the way around, special tool for the new brakes because my universal tool doesn't work apparently, and new window motor, new window regulator, new window, not fun. So all together, we are over budget. We had $1,200 from the sale of the other vehicle. We are now at $1,238. So technically it's failed. But hopefully people got $38 laying around. So we're going to continue on the journey here. I've actually already sold this van for $3,700. So I'll finish it up, get it cleaned up, and keep on moving on to our $10,000. So we'll be at $3,700. Tomorrow I'm going to drop this van off and it is sold. So we are over budget, but not a crazy amount considering I had to put a stupid window in there for breaking it. But them things happen, so let's get this cleaned up and out the way. After some extra persuasion, the stabilizer links, which you could tell I had to, they're still hot, cut off, and the brakes are done. This thing has fought me the whole way. Not the window, stabilizer links, all that. We're still over budget. I'm about to wash it now and say goodbye to this thing. So